Welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost, and today we are going to discuss about insert options where we can get the functions like pivot tables, illustration, charts, tours, sparklines, filters and links. But before to that, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe. Whenever we'll update the video, you will get the notification. Without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now we have the option in insert function, that is pivot table. So how we can use this pivot table, I'll show you, and in the next video I'll also explain how can you use pivot table in the live data. So now let me create some data for this pivot table. So now let me write something or take a random value, that is 234, and again I just would like to fill this value till here, and I'll use the series function, that is the shortcut for that is Alt H then Fi and S. So once you will click this series pop-up will be in front of you, and here what we have to do is we can take the series and step value we will take somewhere around 300. That means whenever the value will increase, it will take the difference of 300. So let's click to the value and let's see what will happen. So simply, as you can see, this value has been created, and now I'll create this value till here, and again I'll go to the series Alt H F I S. So now here what we'll do is we'll take difference of 500 and we will fill it. So as you can see, the data has been filled here. So now simply we will give the name. So let me, this will be the sales. This will let give the name of people who did the sales. So let write Ajay, let's write Ravi, then Suresh, and then again we will take the name of the person, that is Sam, and again Vishal, and last name we will take Raja. So now this are the employees of the company having the sales value of this. These are the units they have sold. So let me again create the table out of it, and let me all this one highlight with the yellow color, and let me create the pivot table out of it. This existing workbook, then okay. Now we do have the employees, so I'll just paste it here. Now I just would like to have the value, so, and the units I would like to say it should be on at value setting and the count, so it is showing the count. Now this data is summarizing, however let me sort it largest to smallest. So now we do have this data where it is saying the Ravi, the total sale headed is of 10,602 for 3 units. Suresh 5,068, 2 units he has sold. Raja likewise, Vishal, Ajay and Sim. So now this data is representable. So you understand how basically you can use this pivot table for your data. Again, if you want to use this pivot table for huge data, to understand how to use this pivot table, so I'll make you understand in the next video with the big data how you can use this pivot table and how you can summarize data to present in front of your management or to seniors. So this is very simple. All you have to do is you have to put the right value in the table so that this data will come out of it. So again, we do have something called point of sale. So here point of sale, let me change it and let's say KA, then Mumbai, then we will take Chennai, then we will take Himachal Pradesh, then Delhi, then we will take UP, then AP, and again we will just increase this one. So now if you want to see the point of sale where the most sale happened, so simply you can put this on column and we remove this value from here. Okay, and first let me refresh it. Okay, now once we refresh it, then simply let me add sales here and let me add units to the row between values basically. So now units I would like to take as account. So now as you can see here, simple, this Karnataka, let me change this fill setting to none. Now all these values are reflecting. So simply it is saying Ajay, where did he sell? So as you can see, Delhi he made a sale of 6,000. UP he made a sale of 3,034. The count of units, let me, okay, so total it is showing in which place how many units he has sold. So simply it is reflecting here, it is showing 2 unit. So it is showing here in UP 2 unit has been sold. So simply if you would like to remove this units, so we have this data more representable. In here it is showing how many units he has sold. So I hope you understood the use of pivot table, and in the next video we will explain this pivot table in more efficient way with more big data. And if you have any doubts, any queries, you can write in the comment section or you can simply reach us out on our official mail ID. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.